Hi! If you want to create 3D AI images like these, then watch this video till end. And subscribe and like this video. First of all, open your browser and search FreePic Image Generator. Here you find multiple results again this. Click on this first link. It will lead you to this website. In this text box, write the text according to your creation. And then click on this Generate button. It will generating results in 4 boxes of images. Click any one from these images. Another window will appear. Click on this download button, and then this image will download. You can see it's a high quality image. Let's try other text and make some interesting images. It will generating results in 4 boxes of images. You can use these images in any story and can be used in Mac and animation and cartoons, etc. If you like this video, then click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, comment us your name and the place where you're watching this video. Take care.